Oh, yes, I did buy a plastic tablecloth just for this video so you couldn't see my legs through this glass table. Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel. So it's Halloween, so I thought I'd do some Halloween themed videos. Originally my idea was to carve pumpkins, but it's been like hailing and thunderstorming all day, so I didn't want to leave my house to go buy pumpkins. So here we are. I'm going to make some Halloween sugar cookie vibe kind of thing. So we're gonna see how that goes. Did I even do an intro? I'm gonna half this recipe because I am just one girl. So half a cup of butter. Oh, sweet baby angel prince. 1 cup, so half a cup of sugar. That's good enough, close enough, it's fine. Whatever. And now some butter. It's actually margarine, but like, it's fine. Here's my life hack. Whenever you bake with butter, it's always like, you have to like warm it, like leave it out for a bit. It needs to be like room temperature. Margarine's always room temperature, and I don't notice a difference, even though I can hear my grade 10 foods teacher just screaming in the distance. Add flax egg and vanilla. Okay, so it says to put flax egg in instead of like real egg. I don't have ground flax, and I think chia seeds wouldn't be gross, so I use applesauce, half a teaspoon of vanilla. This seems right. It seems right. Okay. Whisk the flour. I have to do one in a separate bowl. Can I just do it in the same bowl? Like, I know you're not supposed to, but like, can I? I don't want. I'm just gonna do it in the same bowl. 2.5, so 1.5. I was being just incredibly strong. Now what? 2 teaspoons of baking powder, so 1 teaspoon. And then a pinch of salt, so yeah, why not? Okay, it says I'm supposed to use the mixer again, but like I think I can just do it like this, right? This seems fine. Also, life hack to making baked goods when they're vegan, you don't have to worry about salmonella. You can use as much dough as you want. Okay, so here's the thing about my life. Halloween cookies, Halloween shapes. I don't have any Halloween cookie cutters, but I do have this little gingerbread man, so we're gonna see what we can do with this. And then I also have a knife if you want to just get like crazy creative and like just carve something out. Oh, spooky. And then part 2 of my very unprepared for this video. I don't have a rolling pin, but what I do have is this little Tinkerbell cup. So, also, I don't really have a surface to roll it on. So I have this cutting board, and then I have a baking tray up here with parchment paper on it, so I don't have to wash the tray. Okay. We're gonna do our best, boys and girls. Oh, I stabbed through it. Also, like, hey, like, haven't posted a video in like a month. I'm back. Surprise, wasn't a mental breakdown this time. Not so much of a surprise. It was just like a 2-week-long depression nap, so that's cool. Also, I worked a ton, so depression and work. Apparently it needs, okay, this has worked before. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I've done this before and it has worked. So I just want to know, we're gonna do what we can here today, people. We're gonna do what we can. No, slag, his little leg. Okay, well, we'll stick it back on there. It's fine. No big deal. It's not the 1800s. He'll live. He's not gonna get gangrene. It's fine. Don't you dare. Oh, it dared. It dared. We can still get to gender neutral little people shapes out of this, so it's fine. Everything's gonna be okay. What's this? Up in one piece, but still kind of ugly, but I love you regardless. Oh, when is this gonna be over? Release me from this never-ending hell. The more I eat, the less I have to make. What was that mysterious noise? No! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We can reconstruct him. So I'm kind of over the gingerbread man already. What does like a bat look like? We love a bat. Okay. I should title this video "Watch Me Eat Cookie Dough" for like 20 minutes. My mom's at a Halloween party right now, and I'm home doing this, so just to set the mood. What's another spooky shape? Pumpkin. Oh, a ghost. That's a shape. Love being a chef. Okay, what's another? A cat, perhaps? We're just gonna go for it. There's his little kitty bean toes. You wanna hear about a life-changing experience I had yesterday? My coworker who loves me was texting me and was like, I have a surprise for you. And I was like, oh, it's probably a puppy. I actually thought maybe a chicken because we have been talking about chickens and her friend has chickens. So she comes in at like 6 and she's like, oh, like your surprise is his leg. Oh no. No. Anyway, my coworker loves me. So we're super busy because it was like rainy and Friday night. And I like turn around and she's like, your surprise is here. And I see a girl holding like a little baby ferret. I'll insert a picture. His name's Lenny. Lenny the ferret, and I love him so much. I got to hang out with him for like 30 minutes, like the last 30 minutes of my shift. I did not spend working. I spent holding and petting a ferret, but it was like the best thing I have ever experienced. Also, during the Lenny experience, some man walks in and he has this little like white fluffy kind of like Yorkie in this like sparkly pink bag, just like on his shoulder, this little puppy just in a bag. And I was like, yeah, I wasn't like the friendliest, or I would have maybe stolen but also pet his dog, but it was a good night. It was a great time. I had a little pumpkin in my car, like on the dashboard, and it was super cute, but then it went bad because my car gets hot when it's sunny, and so I had to, actually I didn't throw it out because I have attachment issues, so it's currently on my porch actually, just not in my car, rotting in my car, but now I have this little witch hat. I actually bought him with him. You know what? I didn't think this part would take that long. I thought decorating them would be the part that took so long, but here I am suffering, trying to make cookies, just trying to put out some YouTube content, trying to fill the void somehow. In this case, it is with cookies. Also, not a side note, we're just chatting, so whatever. Has anybody else been having super weird dreams, like super bad weird dreams lately? Because like, I have, like, is something in Renegade? 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 It has to be Renegade. It sounds wrong. Renegade. Retrograde? You know. Again, because something's up. Like, I woke up so many times last night. Not so many. I woke up like 4 times. There's not even so many. But I woke up so many times last night and would just be like, oh, that was a bad dream. Fall back, and I'd like fall back asleep and be like, hopefully the next one isn't bad. Like 4 times, and they just kept being bad. Like, I don't even remember them. Like, they weren't life-changing, scarring bad. Like, I've had a few of those. Woo, fun. but they were like bad enough for me to like wake up and be like, hey, what the heck? So that's cool. It's either something with a personal trauma or like the moons aren't aligned or something. I don't know. We're gonna go with the moons aren't aligned and it's not my own personal problems sneaking up on me in my sleep.
A 2-week-long depression nap.
These look like little raviolis. Oh my gosh, should I make ravioli? When I make ravioli, I have to make like homemade ravioli. But like, I want ravioli. Should that be another video? Should I make ravioli with you guys even though I want it right now? I think these are good. I can just eat this. Ah! I love that I'm cleaning my plastic, literally cost $1 tablecloth, but like it's fine. I need it for the aesthetic. Life hack, if you're vegan, Betty Crocker comes through. As much as like I love you guys and I respect you, I also love myself and I refuse. So I need white. I need a lot of white. Here's my black, green, orange. I'm gonna need orange for my little pumpkin. I'm gonna do the cat orange. That's not spooky, but like, you know what? My son is orange, so it's okay. So what are we doing first? The pumpkin. Okay, cute. We're gonna outline her little pumpkin shape. We're gonna do her little pumpkin lines. Wait, this cat, turned out okay. Super burnt. That's fine. It's okay. I still love and respect him, especially because he's supposed to be my son. I'm sorry mommy burned you wherever you are. Cut to like a good YouTuber baking stuff on their channel, like picture like Zoella making like Halloween cookies on her channel.
I feel like these are the perfect cupcakes.
And then flashback to me with like this, where I'm like, it's a pumpkin. I'm gonna try to make like Halloween videos. Like I took my 2-month like previously mentioned depression nap. So not 2-month, my 2-week previously mentioned depression nap. So I didn't get to make all the Halloween videos I wanted to, because trust me, I have a note on my phone in my notes app with just a ton of like Halloween video ideas that like I just didn't make and have procrastinated making. None of them still. Even this video wasn't on it until earlier today where I was like, I'm gonna make cookies. So that's cool. Oh, it's gonna come out. That's cool. Little whiskers. So hopefully I find it within myself to make some of those. I had this one video idea that I came up with at like 2 a.m. that at the time I thought, oh, like I am a genius. It's so funny. Now I don't know if it's funny, so I don't know if it'll get made, but we'll see. Love that my hair is doing that. Okay. Love being talented. Well, that's all I'm gonna ice. I'm just gonna generically ice, throw some sprinkles on the rest. I'm done. I'm over it. I'm tired. I'm not even actually tired. I slept for 12 hours last night, you guys. 12 hours. Like just like a light coma. Like so good.
A 2-week-long depression nap.
But anyways, these are my cookies. I love being a chef. Cut to like those pictures of like Gordon Ramsay and like everybody on like Chopped and stuff, like with their little like claws, and they like wipe around like their plates to make sure there's no like spills or like light dustings of like a spice out of place, and then cut to me literally licking this display plate. So I have icing all over my hands. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, like, subscribe. You guys know. I post videos inconsistently, so yeah, make sure to subscribe to occasionally see those. And I will see you in my next video whenever that is. I also can't stop doing this all the time. At work, at customers, in real life. Just, oh no, I have to clean it up. Oh. Like a week. Don't see the difference. Hi. Oh, do you want it? Just in case anyone was curious, this is how the rest of them looks. Yes, I did run out of orange icing on the very last one, and yes, that is a bite.